In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import vector files into DaVinci Resolve. I'll cover the steps to bring these files into your project and its benefits with two concepts of design. Hi, to import vector files to DaVinci Resolve, you have one way to do so. I am here to cover the necessary steps to bring these files to your project with two design concepts and explain to you how to provide vectors files for more flexibility in control of design and animation. So, if we try to import our vector files in this way, from File and Import, then Media, and select Files, then Open. Not imported anything. If we go to Fusion and try to import again, right-click on Media, pull here, then Media, and select Files, then Open. Same thing, not imported our files again. So, the correct way, in the top bar, click on Fusion, then Import, then click on SVG. This is the first concept, is flat shape, and this is the second concept with stroke, is give you more control. Select one file because you cannot import a multiple file once here, then Open. Then OK. We'll import with you like this is group. Double click here to show us what is included in each group. This is path, and this is its background. Select your path. And here in Inspector will control our path. Here can you change its size. Here, if you want to animate a path from left to right. And here, if you want to animate a path from right to left. And here you can change path width. For change path color, select background, and back to here and choose any color, or click on colors, and choose from here too. Then OK, and for import flat concept, similar steps, menu bar, click on Fusion, then Import, then click on SVG. Select File, then Open, and click OK. Connect with Media out. And double-click. This is shape, and this is its background. Select your shape. In Inspector, change size from here. And the position from left to right or the opposite. Or from the bottom up. For change shape color, select background, and change from here as you want. This is all for this tutorial. If you have any question you want to know about DaVinci Resolve, you can leave it in the comments section. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!